Hey guys, SPC Morton here with a very exclusive video. You may notice that is where the warning siren used to be, but they moved it right here. That is very awesome. I'll go ahead and see why and what they did about it. They haven't even put the box on it yet, but all I know is that this is a Welland WPS 2810. That's what I know. It's Welland, so there y'all have it. That's where it used to be. Raygon Communications. Give them a big shout out. What they're doing here. It's very nice what you're doing here, folks. You're moving the warning siren a bit. Yeah, I don't know if I'll notice anything different during the monthly test, but I will be filming it tomorrow, and also the AM/FM one, but I'm also going to try to self-activate my WR100 for that. So again, thank you guys for watching.